Hello guys, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel Learning Pocket. So maybe this is the last video of this series. In this video I want to just give you a short more knowledge about what if all my posts get deleted, right? So for example, in Flipkart or in Amazon, if your cart is empty, then you will a page something like this: your cart is empty, just go to add one more data. But I have not much focused on the CSS part, right? So I've just downloaded an image here of, let's suppose, I've just downloaded an image of this 404 error, and I'll be using this image when my data gets empty, right? So I just copy this image and paste it in my folder, right? So I just go to this crud, and in client in src I'll create one folder named assets, and I'll just copy this image in here, assets, assets, and I'll paste the image in here, Control V, and I'll just go to the code part, and in all jobs.js I'll call the image first. So I'll call the image as import not found empty, right? So let empty from empty job, yeah, empty from dot forward slash then asset slash and not found dot jpg, I guess. Let me check it. Not found dot jpg, right? So not found dot jpg, that's it. And now I'll use it in how I can use it in jobs.map. I will be checking the length of the data. So I'll just write jobs.length, right? So I'll write in parenthesis jobs.length if I have no data, right? If I have data, then I'll simply use ternary operator to show the data, right? So I'll just write this, and then I'll or one more curly braces, and I'll end it here, and then I'll use ternary operator to show the image that I want to show when my data or when my job data will be empty, right? So I'll just call an image source, and image source is equals to I'll write empty, what I have given the name above right here, empty, and okay, and I'll just give it styling some. I'll just give a style of style is equals to then only width of, let's suppose a width of let's suppose 30%, and then margin of, let's suppose 80 pixel and 35%, 80 pixel 00 and 35%, right? And I'll have to close this image tag also, and I don't think I have any error. Okay, I have to use colon here, and that's it. And let me check it. If I delete this, I'll have to get the image, and that's working perfectly fine. Now if I'll add one data, so let's suppose monstack, this is a monstack opportunity, and this is for 2 months add job, and then I'll get the data, right? So this I want to tell you in this video. So I hope you find it, you have understand it. If you find this video to be helpful, just like the video, and if you have any problem, just comment down below, and you will find the source code in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, make sure to subscribe it, and do hit the bell notification to be on. I will see you in the next series. Till then, bye bye, take care.